You succeed on your charisma saving throw, but on your wisdom saving throw.
Oh.
You stare into the ink and you think about how often you've been able to write these sort of perfect poems, these things that just feel so right, exactly as they should be, going into your book. Where has that been coming from? You've been a witch your whole life, but you never felt a magic like that. Like the universe was confirming something while you were doing it. You didn't have to wait until after to know that you did the right thing. How amazing, how incredible to know that you were doing the right thing in the moment of doing it. What a gift, and what a rare thing in lands as troubled as the never after. And you stare in that ink and really quickly, it's your whole field of vision. You don't need to see the keyhole, the peripheral light. You don't even need to see the rest of the shrine in there. Just that ink fills your whole vision. And you start to feel so good about the things you've done right that it's hard to notice at first that you're trembling. Suddenly you start to feel a little flat, a little bit like maybe the most important things about you are things that have nothing to do with who you think you are. And you feel a sort of thundering emptiness, a deep, profound shadow. And you wonder if perhaps you and everything that's ever happened to you and everything you've ever cared about is pretty frivolous. There are things looking at you, and they're real. They're real, and you now understand how terrifying that is. They're real, and you're not. And you were a fool to come here, because now they can see you. And if they can see you, there's nothing that can stop them from doing whatever they want to you. And now you know your whole body is shaking, but what the hell is a body? That's not anything. That's an idea. It's a joke. And you're nothing more than scratches of ink on someone else's piece of paper. At the moment where you realize that eyes vaster and more powerful than your entire universe are beholding you, that's when you hear, "Timothy!" and you snap back.